In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best electric bikes of 2025, powerful, stylish, and loaded with the latest features. Whether you're looking for speed, comfort, or long-range performance, these e-bikes redefine how we ride into the future. So, let's jump right in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. Kicking off our list at number 5, the Blicks Vica X, compact folding electric bike designed for urban commuters who value flexibility and convenience. The Blicks Vica X isn't just about portability, it's about performance in a small package. With a 500-watt rear hub motor and 48V 12.8Ah lithium battery, this little beast can cruise up to 20 miles per hour, covering up to 45 miles on a single charge. Its foldable aluminum frame makes it easy to store or carry, whether you're hopping on a train, sliding it under your desk, or tossing it in your car trunk. And despite its small size, the Vica X feels solid and smooth, thanks to its 20-inch wheels, mechanical disc brakes, and comfortable saddle. The LCD display keeps you updated on speed, battery level, and assist mode, while the 5 levels of pedal assist ensure a ride that matches your mood, from relaxed cruising to full power bursts. If you're living in a city and want a lightweight, versatile e-bike that looks good and performs even better, the Blicks Vica X deserves your. Taking the third spot, the Heybike Ranger S, a perfect blend of power, comfort, and technology. This e-bike is made for riders who want versatility. It performs great in the city and off-road. The 750-watt brushless gear motor gives you plenty of power, while the 48V 15Ah battery offers up to 55 miles per charge. It's equipped with 20x4-inch fat tires, front suspension fork, and a sturdy step-through frame, making it super comfortable and easy to ride for any height. The Ranger S also features dual hydraulic brakes, giving you excellent stopping power in any condition. One of the coolest things about this bike is its intelligent app connectivity. You can track your rides, control your bike settings, and even lock or unlock it through your smartphone. It also comes with turn signals, brake lights, and a large color display, all adding to its modern and safe riding experience. If you're looking for a balanced e-bike that's stylish, smart, and strong, the Heybike Ranger S is an incredible mid-range choice for 2025. At number 2, meet the Puckipuppy Labrador Pro, one of the most talked about e-bikes of 2025 for its massive range and futuristic design. This model is equipped with a dual battery system, combining 48V 40Ah total capacity, allowing riders to go up to 120 miles on a single charge. That's one of the best ranges in its class. The 1000W high-torque motor makes hill climbs effortless and gives this bike an impressive top speed of 28 miles per hour. Its hydraulic brakes, adjustable suspension, and 26x4-inch fat tires ensure total control and comfort on rough terrain. But the Labrador Pro isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligence, too. The bike features a multifunction TFT display, turn signals, LED headlights, and cruise control mode for long rides. The frame design looks sleek and futuristic, almost like something out of a sci-fi movie, and it's built tough enough for both commuting and extreme outdoor riding. If long range and high-end performance are your priorities, the Puckipuppy Labrador Pro is a game-changer. Finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, the Wallke H7 AWD. This is not just an e-bike, it's a powerhouse on 2 wheels. The AWD stands for all-wheel drive, and yes, it has 2 motors, one in the front and one in the rear. Together, these dual 1000W motors deliver an insane 2000 watts of peak power, giving you unmatched traction, acceleration, and control. With a 48V 20Ah Samsung battery, you can expect up to 80 miles per charge, depending on the mode you choose. The H7 AWD features full hydraulic brakes, dual suspension, and 26-inch fat tires, all designed to keep you comfortable, even when riding over rocks, mud, or snow. The smart LCD display provides detailed ride stats, and you can easily switch between front, rear, or dual motor modes, adapting to your terrain in real time. Design-wise, it's bold and futuristic, with aircraft-grade aluminum and integrated lighting for night rides. This bike is built for serious riders, those who want power, style, and control in every ride. Simply put, the Wallke H7 AWD is the ultimate electric bike of 2025. So there you have it, the top 5 best electric bikes of 2025. From the compact Blicks Vica X to the powerhouse Wallke H7 AWD, There's something here for every type of rider. Which e-bike was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Savvy Finds, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the coolest tech gadgets on Amazon and beyond.